Question 111. Discuss a time when you had to adapt to a significant change in project requirements. How did you manage this transition? During a major academic project, we received a request for a significant change in data analysis focus midway through development. To manage this transition, I convened a meeting with stakeholders to clarify the new requirements and understand their priorities. Following that, I reassessed our timeline and resources, adjusting project milestones accordingly. I communicated transparently with the team about the change, ensuring everyone understood the implications for their tasks. We adopted agile methodologies to facilitate continuous feedback and adaptation. This flexible approach allowed us to successfully pivot while minimizing disruptions and ultimately meeting the revised project objectives. Question 112. What methodologies do you apply for data governance in academic projects, and how do you ensure compliance with regulations? I apply a combination of data governance frameworks, such as DAMA DMBOK, and best practices tailored to academic projects. This includes establishing clear data ownership, defining data quality standards, and implementing data stewardship roles. To ensure compliance with regulations like GDPR and FERPA, I conduct regular audits of data handling practices and train team members on legal requirements. I also develop and maintain comprehensive documentation outlining data management processes and protocols. Additionally, I implement access controls and data encryption to protect sensitive information. By fostering a culture of accountability and awareness, I can uphold data governance standards and compliance. Question 113. How do you stay updated with the latest technologies and tools relevant to academic production analysis? Staying updated with the latest technologies requires a proactive approach. I regularly attend webinars, workshops, and conferences related to data analysis and academic production. Subscribing to industry journals and blogs helps me keep track of emerging trends and best practices. I also engage with professional networks, participating in forums and discussion groups where peers share insights and experiences. Additionally, I allocate time for personal projects that allow me to experiment with new tools and technologies. This continuous learning mindset enables me to enhance my skill set and apply innovative solutions in my work as an academic production analyst. Question 114. What is your experience with scripting languages, and how have you utilized them in automating academic processes? I have extensive experience with scripting languages, particularly Python and R. In my role as an academic production analyst, I have utilized Python for automating data cleaning processes, which significantly reduced manual effort and errors. For example, I developed scripts that automatically downloaded datasets, performed necessary transformations, and saved clean data in designated formats. Additionally, I used R for generating reports and visualizations, automating the workflow to ensure timely updates for stakeholders. By leveraging these scripting languages, I have improved efficiency and accuracy in various academic processes, allowing my team to focus on analysis and interpretation rather than repetitive tasks. Question 115. Describe the role of stakeholder management in your projects. How do you ensure their needs and expectations are met? Stakeholder management is critical in ensuring project success. I begin by identifying key stakeholders and understanding their needs and expectations through initial meetings. This involves actively listening to their concerns and clarifying project objectives. Throughout the project, I maintain regular communication through updates, reports, and feedback sessions to keep stakeholders informed of progress. I also involve them in key decision-making processes to ensure their insights are considered. By fostering a collaborative environment and being responsive to their needs, I can build strong relationships that enhance project alignment and satisfaction, ultimately contributing to successful outcomes. Question 116. How do you approach data security in your role as an academic production analyst? Data security is a top priority in my role. I implement a multi-layered security approach, starting with access controls to restrict data access based on user roles. I utilize encryption techniques for sensitive data both at rest and in transit to safeguard it from unauthorized access. Regular security audits and vulnerability assessments are conducted to identify and address potential risks. Additionally, I ensure compliance with relevant regulations and institutional policies regarding data handling. Training team members on best practices for data security is also essential, fostering a culture of awareness and responsibility. This comprehensive approach helps protect the integrity and confidentiality of academic data. Question 117. Can you explain the concept of microservices architecture and how it can benefit academic data systems? Microservices architecture involves breaking down applications into smaller, independent services that can be developed, deployed, and scaled individually. In the context of academic data systems, this architecture enhances flexibility and resilience. Each microservice can handle specific functions, such as data ingestion, processing, or analysis, allowing teams to adopt diverse technologies best suited for each task. This modularity simplifies maintenance and updates, as changes can be made to one service without affecting others. Furthermore, it enables better scalability, as demand can be met by scaling specific services rather than the entire application, ultimately improving performance and resource utilization in academic projects. Question 118. What metrics do you consider essential for evaluating the success of an academic data project? Evaluating the success of an academic data project involves multiple key metrics. First, I assess the quality of the output, including accuracy, completeness, and timeliness of the data analysis. User satisfaction is another vital metric, gauging how well the project meets stakeholder needs and expectations through feedback surveys. Additionally, I consider the efficiency of the project, measuring time and resources utilized against the outcomes achieved. Finally, I track the impact of the project on academic objectives, such as improved research insights, publications, or funding success. These metrics provide a comprehensive view of the project's effectiveness and areas for future improvement. Question 119. How do you handle conflicts within a team, especially when working on complex academic projects? Handling conflicts within a team requires a diplomatic and constructive approach. I first encourage open dialogue, allowing team members to express their perspectives and concerns. By creating a safe space for discussion, I can facilitate understanding and empathy among colleagues. I then work to identify common goals and areas of agreement, which helps to refocus the conversation on collaborative solutions. If necessary, I involve neutral parties or mentors to mediate discussions. Ultimately, my goal is to foster a culture of respect and collaboration, ensuring that conflicts are resolved amicably, which is essential for maintaining productivity and morale in complex academic projects. Question 120. Discuss your experience with implementing data-driven decision-making within academic organizations. What challenges did you face? Implementing data-driven decision-making in academic organizations often involves cultural and operational challenges. In my experience, I started by establishing clear frameworks for data collection and analysis, ensuring that relevant data was accessible to decision-makers. One significant challenge was overcoming resistance to change. Some stakeholders were accustomed to intuition-based decisions. To address this, I conducted workshops demonstrating the value of data insights through successful case studies. Another challenge was ensuring data quality and consistency, which I tackled by implementing standardized processes for data entry and validation. By fostering a data-centric culture and providing tools to analyze data effectively, I empowered stakeholders to make informed decisions, ultimately enhancing the organization's effectiveness. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.